In this video, I'll guide you through how to add colors to Google Keep Notes. Using color is a simple but powerful way to organize your ideas, to-do lists, and reminders so that you can find what you need at a glance. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to change the color of any note and use that feature in a practical way. First, open your web browser and go to keep.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where your notes are saved. Once the page loads, you'll see your existing notes laid out as cards on the screen. If you don't see any notes yet, you can quickly create one by clicking in the Take a Note area and typing something in, then clicking away to save it. You'll need at least one note visible in order to change its color. Next, choose the note you want to customize. You can click anywhere inside that note card to select it. When the note is active, you'll notice a row of icons along the bottom of the note. These controls let you do things like add images, archive the note, or more. Among these icons, look for the small palette icon. It usually looks like a paint palette and sits close to the middle of that bottom row. Go ahead and click that palette icon. As soon as you do, a color menu will pop up. This menu shows a selection of different colors and sometimes a default white or neutral option. Each color represents a background option you can apply to your note. There's no right or wrong choice here. Just think about how you want to visually group your notes. For example, you might use one color for work, another for personal tasks, and a different one for ideas or reminders. Now pick the color you want for the note by clicking on it. You don't need to press save or do anything extra. As soon as you click a color, the change happens right away. The background of your note will switch to that color instantly. This immediate feedback makes it easy to try different colors until you find one that looks and feels right. You'll see the selected color applied both in the open note and in the main grid where all your notes are shown. This helps your chosen notes stand out visually. If you decide later that you want a different color, just repeat the same process. Select the note, click the palette icon, and choose another color. You can change it as many times as you like. Using colors in Google Keep can make your notes much easier to scan. For instance, you might color code urgent tasks in a bright color so they catch your eye, while long-term ideas or reference notes can be in softer tones. Over time, you'll start to recognize categories just by the color without even reading the text first. That's all there is to it. By opening keepgoogle.com, selecting a note, clicking the palette icon, and choosing a color, you can quickly customize and organize your Google Keep notes in a way that works for you.